is another video on the Infiniti X1 5000 lumen flashlight. It comes with a power cell battery that's rechargeable USB-C. You can see right there, plugs in. Also comes with this Infiniti USB-C adapter. I will say that this thing can break off very easily, this plastic. And this part is a little bit bigger than normal USB-Cs. Okay, so that I don't like about it. It also comes with the battery, 12 batteries, AA, that you can put in as well. Okay, comes with a box, and I don't have the case, but it's a very powerful flashlight. Focused or wide beam, you can turn it, but the best is showing you outside in the dark how this works. So now we're outside, and you can see it's snowing out. Just started. Okay, let's turn it on the focused beam. Or goes very far. Goes way up in the sky. It is a very powerful flashlight. Just turning it on wide again. And you can see definitely will light up an area. It is heavy. It's like an old mag light. For those of you older out there. But I will say I do like this. It definitely goes up there, that's for sure.